What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So it's interesting to me to see again the comments that I look at. I love digging into the comment section and just seeing what people say and what they've said in the past and all of those things there. Um, but referring to XRP, I know for a fact that XRP is going to make millionaires when we see things explode. Not even when we see things explode. Honestly, you could have minimum movement, right? Upwards. And we could still see some major movement and in your balance and in a lot of people's balances because of where they invested and how much they were looking to hold. The level of people or the amount of people that are interested in the future of XRP and where it's going is absolutely amazing. It's so many people that's involved in this, whether it's just 1,000 or whether it's 10,000 or whether it's 100 or 1,000,000 XRP. I see so many people that are all for this position. XRP will make millionaires. It's 100% a fact. And you know how I know it's a fact? Is because it's already made one millionaire and you're looking at him. So this is what I'm saying is that because of XRP, you can be able to jump over that threshold to be able to make $1 million, to be able to make multiples of millions of dollars. So to say that XRP is not going to make millionaires and that that's false and that you don't believe in this project and that it's not going to be heavily usable and all of that BS, honestly, you're just you're driving yourself crazy because you're just going to be wrong and you're going to be wrong more and you're going to be wrong even more as the years go on, right? So let's talk about XRP and why you will be able to become a millionaire from XRP and why, if you decided to invest into it early, that probably already has become a reality. So hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. Hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, check out my link down below for Patreon, for Twitter. I just released a new opportunities post. I'm going to be going through new opportunities and looking for different projects that are at low levels and posting them within a watch list, every so often. I don't know if it'll be every day, but it may be every other day. I'll try to do it every day in the beginning just because right now we're still at the midst of not we're still at the midst of seeing altcoin season happen because it hasn't happened yet. So we still have a lot of opportunities out there. But as we get closer to altcoin season thriving, I really don't want people to make heavy investments at those times because you'll end up losing money if they're at all-time highs or they're creating newer all-time highs. I want you to protect yourself. But we will find opportunities as best as possible. Also, if you want to check out my link for BTCC, feel free to check out that link. You can trade up to a 500x leverage on some positions. You can get a 10% deposit bonus when you use my link, as well as extra bonuses up to $10,055 and 40% lower trading fees. Now, all of these things that you get, you would only get if you specifically use my link. You'll be able to leverage trade as well as just being able to trade outright, own the position, or you can demo trade. Maybe you don't want to invest all your money. Maybe you don't want to invest any money. Well, you can demo trade and trade with no risk to yourself, just practice. Anyways, hit that link down below at the top of the description and get started today. But today we're here to talk about XRP because, again, I've mentioned this to so many people is that XRP is going to make millionaires, right? It's going to be worth trillions of dollars in the end. I fully believe that. But if we look at scenarios that have already happened, we look at where it has gone, the many people that I've talked to that had 100,000, 200,000, 300,000, and some people even north of 1 million or 2 million XRP because they bought so low. You look at those and you're like, okay, you made millions of dollars. It may have come off of hundreds of thousands, or it may have come off of, $50,000 or whatever. You're now able to get to that point to where now it's officially pushed you past millionaire status, right? At least in the short-term gains or short-term investments that you have, right? Just put your retirement stuff aside. This may be absolutely huge for you, and it may be weird. Maybe it's even larger than your retirement stuff, meaning that you have a lot in short-term plays and you don't know what the heck to do right now. But XRP is absolutely phenomenal with the amount of people that are paying attention to it, that believe in this project, that think that that know this is going to be worth so much more and usable. When we talk about When we talk about just using cryptocurrency as we all know it, right? As we all wanted it to happen, right? For Bitcoin, we wanted to be able to just transact with Bitcoin. We couldn't really do that, right? Because of the, inefficiency when it comes to energy, when it comes to, inefficiency when it comes to time and cost and all of those things there, right? So in comes other projects, in comes XRP, and XRP is cheap, fast, efficient, right? It's something that you don't have to worry about that energy cost or energy usage or anything that's that side of things. And you're seeing the partnerships that are happening right before your eyes. Yes, it's not happening with every single bank at the moment, but you look at many bank partnerships, and once you see one, now you see a second, and you see a third, and it just opens your eyes to what the opportunity can be, right? If it was something as simple as just taking over that cash flow on a digital side, that's something that can happen. Right now with a bank, you take your dollar and you go ahead and spend it at the store. They don't immediately have that money. It takes a while for it to transfer into their account. It may take 2 to 5 business days for that to end up happening, meaning that that money is not instantaneously there, but it may seem like it is. This is why you can't go through and put through a $100,000 transaction or take out $100,000. They have to go through time, make sure that you're not being held at ransom or something or whatever, being robbed in any way. And they have to take that time to gather all the money to that physical bank location and then give you the money in person or wire you the money or whatever that ends up being, right? You can't use your own money even though it's in your account. For cryptocurrency, it could be a little bit better because it's all happening immediately. XRP happens within seconds. So if you decide to send XRP to a business, it's going to go from your wallet to their wallet within seconds, meaning that you have no type or no need to wait around and go, all right, well, this is still pending. It's not still pending. It's gone through. It's done, right? We know that it could be used as the world currency. And then we're not talking about just the US. We're talking about the world, right? We're talking about many other countries, continents. We're talking about other places that can utilize this in digital form. It can be absolutely massive. I see the usage. I see the possibilities, and so many other people see it as well. So when I look at cryptocurrency as a whole and I stare at XRP and I go, or I stare at the market and I go, all right, Bitcoin, Ethereum, for some reason, and I mean, maybe it's because it's the largest position that I hold, XRP just stands out to me, right? Because XRP is making moves like no other coin is making. If you look at the ones that actually have a larger impact, they're the ones that disrupt what is normal. And what's normal for you, right? You see Bitcoin, Ethereum, you see Tether, BNB, Solana, all of these other coins that are above them, right? All of those are staying the same. But guess what's moving, right? You see things like XRP moving, maybe Solana moving. Bitcoin and Ethereum haven't moved. Number one, number two, yes, they are the top two, but you're not really seeing any other ones being disruptors, right? XRP disrupting Solana, disrupting BNB, disrupting Tether. For you're talking about a coin that literally runs through everything, right? A stable coin and has $142 billion of a market cap. It's disrupting that. That's what I'm talking about. I know for a fact that there's going to be many millionaires that are created from XRP. And I'm so happy to say that I'm a part of this, and I've been talking about it for a long time. I've been believing in it even while the case was going on. Yes, in the beginning, I got talked out of it, right? I got talked out of even buying into it at a little bit higher levels. I think it was at like a dollar something when I first was told about it and was talking about it. And I gave my reasons to why I didn't buy into it for a long-term hold. And it was because of many people that were telling me about the lawsuit and I wasn't researching myself. That's one mistake that I made. And then once I decided to research, once I decided to look into it a little bit more and at least believe in it, believe in what some of the positive things are saying out there, right? The negative stuff was so overwhelming to the positive that I just didn't see a reason to even look into it. But I'm upset with myself because I would have been able to gather more and more and more and more over time if I would have just believed in it in the beginning, right? So I'm here talking to you about it now. I invested into it at a level of 39 cents when it was at a low level, and that's when I decided to really look into it heavily because I see opportunity in things that are falling, and many others don't see that opportunity. So that's why I decided to invest into it low and then continue to add more as time went on. So let me know where you are in XRP. Let me know how you feel. Do you believe XRP is going to make millionaires? Do you believe it's going to make billionaires? Because I believe both of those things. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below for Twitter, for Patreon, as well as for BTCC. I'm going to get out of here and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.